run from things, or you face them, Mr. White.
What exactly does that mean?
It's all about accepting who you really are. I accept who I am. I'm the bad guy.
I'm not a good man. I'm a criminal. And a killer.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there telling me,
was it worth it?
I got to beware.
Worth what?
Your life.
We do terrible things for the people we love. Stop asking why.
I've killed people. I don't even know how many by now. But I know why they're all dead. They're dead so my family, all those people out there, can be alive.
Hell, you're all gonna be doing that.
Making it now. You really think you can do that without getting blood on your hands?
You know what I think, you hero? I think you're a half measure. I think you're a man who can't finish the job.
Taking it like a champ.
I'm gonna beat the holy hell out of one of you.
These people are my family. And if what you're hiding somehow hurts them in any way, I'll kill you.